What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video of Zeb Monopoly. Today what we're going to do is we're going to go to the computer. I'm going to show you how I made £300 or $400 in the space of 10 minutes, all recorded live from start to finish. So we're going to go through that and have a look. And also, guys, I want to talk about something. This is going to be the last trading video on this channel, live trading video on this channel. And I'm going to explain to you the reason, because I feel like I'm just repeating myself at this stage because I've made so many live trades in the past on this channel. So if you're new, guys, and you don't know how we trade stocks, look in the description, there's a tutorial, and then look at my older videos. It will teach you a lot, right? So I'm going to show you how I made 300 in the space of 10 minutes. I'm not the only one that made that same amount of money, guys, in a short period of time. I'm going to show you who else made that money also. But if you haven't realized, I just got the haircut, guys, and I went to the barber shop and they started putting weird things on me. Thank God I had the camera to record. So let's have a look at this clip before we actually go to the computer and start trading. So let's roll that clip. I went in for a haircut, started looking like the Joker. This man, full of surprises. So yeah, it feels good. I can't tell you what I'm feeling right now, but it feels good, guys. Alright, guys, so stock market opens in 7 minutes. This is the stock we're going to trade. It's called QSR. Stock market opens in 7 minutes, guys, so we have to do this quickly. This is the stock, guys. This is the stock called Restaurant Brands International, and it's already at somewhat resistance level, so we have to wait for resistance to breach before jumping in. It's up 3% based on good news. By the way, we knew the exact date the good news will be released. This here is the good news. If you're new, you don't know what I'm talking about, look in the description, guys. There's a free tutorial where it teaches you how I do things, so this video will make more sense. So that's the stock we're going to trade today, guys. Guys, if you want to join this chat room with other people that use the same strategy, then go ahead. There's a link in the description with the course, and you'll be added to this chat room where we use the same strategy and maybe share ideas and whatnot. So, students and traders, by the way. So, let's jump on the computer, guys. Stock market opens in 4 minutes. So, market just opened, guys, and we're going in with a buy position on that stock. So, we just entered 300 shares on that stock. And we're down 65 so far. That's because, let's see. Let's see where we, so there we go. So place trade. I just executed another, so we're up 400 shares now, guys, and up £80, right? £90. And we'll take that money as quick as possible. Current price is 65. So I told my guys here, if it breaches 65, then it should be long did made got out. Good man. So that's one guy who just made 180, guys, in the space of 2 minutes. Right. So I'm gonna be getting ready to get out as well. With 400 shares soon enough. Well, there's the pullback. You see how quick it is, guys. The pullback comes like there's no tomorrow. But yeah, we'll be ready to get out soon enough. Pullback, pullback. See how volatile the stock market is, guys, in the first 10 minutes because there's so much volume going on. So we're still way in. So we're up on the 300 shares that we bought at 64.68, 100. We're down 11 on the 100 shares we bought at 65.30. Like I said, guys, if it does breach 65, then it should kind of continue to 66. It might be at the end of the day. But anyways, the pullback is here, but these are fake out pullbacks. See the pullback, guys, happening. So I'm about to add another 100 shares. So now we're 500 shares up, guys. But yeah, guys, I'll pause this because I don't want to kind of spend a lot of time on the recorder. I'll pause this and I'll keep you updated with the kind of the outcome. I'm not going to touch anything. I'll just pause it. All right, guys. So we were 200 up. I cut 50. I actually cut 50 shares down there, but I went back in with another 50 because I had to look back at the analysis of the stock and see what my decision is, if I actually could hold it for a swing trade. And I said, yeah, I could hold it for a swing trade, but obviously I don't have to because we're already up in the green. So we're at 200 pounds up, guys. 150. We see. I don't want to take the profit now because I feel like this is a great swing trades, guys. You guys should take the profit as quick as possible. So we're already 50 cents up, but yet we are profitable so far. With 200 pounds up, 200 now, right? 209. So now we're about to hit the 65 figure, right? So I'll pause this and I'll update you. All right, guys. So we're about to take that profit. I feel like there's gonna be resistance at $65 for that stock. So there we go. I'm out. Right. So close sell at 64.90. So how much did we make? We made 310 on that stock, guys. You seen the way it just changed as soon as I actually pressed the button? Well, I'm glad that I got out. So that's all that's it, guys. So that's it. Hopefully you got value out of this video, guys. Appreciate you for watching. Don't forget the like, the subscribe if you're new. And I'm just doing this because I want to show you the new watch that I just got. I'll probably have to return it because it's still in the tag. I can't afford it. Anyways, hopefully you got value out of these videos, guys. There's tutorials in the description. And the reason why I'm not doing any more live trades is because you've seen that I'm making these small amounts of money these days, guys. Yes, I am playing it safe in a way and taking the money that I need from the market. But again, I feel like my trading has been kind of put on hold because I'm coming out with live trades these days. So here's what I'm going to do. Not every trade. I'm not going to post any more live trades like these, but I will have live trades recorded and I'll put them in my course. I just created a new folder, guys, so you will have access to the walkthroughs. So if you're interested in the course, it's in the description for you guys. You don't have to get it, by the way. If my videos are helping you, then that's fine. But anyways, my course is there if you need it. It's in the description. It will teach you even further than the YouTube videos that I have. But hopefully you got value. See you next time for more videos. My birthday's coming up, so I'll be taking just a little bit of a break and then I'll come back on YouTube posting our regular content with stocks, motivation. So we're not leaving the stock market, guys. No, it's going to be even further education coming your way. But the live trades will be halted, guys. So follow me on Instagram as Simply Zed if you haven't already. I appreciate you guys for watching. I love you from the heart. Show your appreciation with the like. That's the least you can do at this stage. Anyways, I'll be in London soon enough, in 2 days. Peace and love.